Let's take the discussion forward with a very interesting small cap, mid cap stock which has been in focus because of the attention some of the marquee investors are it's coming on to, and I'm talking about Praveg. It's an eco-tourism company, a very unique hospitality play, and we have Mr. Vishnukumar Patel, chairman of Praveg, who's joining us now. Vishnukumar ji, afternoon, thank you very much. Namaste, good to see you on the show. I must say that hospitality is really a very buzzing space. Plus, the manner in which you guys are following your business model within hospitality is pretty unique. Ecotourism and some of the very not run-of-the-mill destinations, Run of Kutch, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the entire statue around the tourism around it. And I also gather feedback from some of your large shareholders who recently become shareholders that you're looking at some other tourist spots in religious tourism space as well in the north and etc. So good to have you, a very differentiated business model. Let's start by understanding. I will not talk to you about the current financials because the current financials perhaps do not capture what shape and size the business may take in next 3 to 5 years. Tell us, what's your ambitious plan?
The Praveg is unlike a traditional hospitality model. We are working on experiential hospitality models and want to bring in India unique kind of hospitalities which is not available in a metro and city like traditional hotels. हम जो ये मॉडल है उसको ले जा रहे हैं सीशोर्स पे, जहाँ दरिया का किनारा है, जहाँ नदी का किनारा, जैसे वाराणसी का टेंट सिटी वाराणसी आपने अगर सुना है तो ऐसी तरह अयोध्या के अंदर, अयोध्या मंदिर के बाजू में टेंट सिटी हम बनाने जा रहे हैं. सेम वे दीव एंड दमन, सेम वे किहिम एंड किम ऑन मुंबई महाराष्ट्र, सेम वे केवड़िया, सेम वे उदयपुर एंड जवाई. So we want to make some wildlife places more approachable to the people of India or foreigners also. Same way religious tourism we want to develop in Ayodhya, Varanasi, and same place if we get available in futures. Same way we want to work on river Ganga, another rivers available. Same way we want to work on white runs and seashores like Daman and Diu. Same way we want to work on Maharashtra beaches. We want to expand these models to across India so as to more and more tourist attraction places we can create in India.
Very good concept. I must congratulate. This is a very differentiated model, and there are, we are living here in Maharashtra. We ourselves, when we travel into the deepest parts of Maharashtra, we understand some of the such uniquely beautiful places close to nature and not exploited commercially. So I can understand what you're trying to replicate. Same is the case with other states as well, some hidden deeper places. But if the concept is well understood and appreciated, but if we were to put some numbers, in the next 3 to 5 years, how many rooms are we talking about you aim to operate? What kind of top line are you aiming at, and what kind of profit would you make on those numbers of rooms which you are targeting to add? Just to put some numbers and perspective into the concept here, आप जो target कर रहे हैं.
Sir, ours is a light assets model hospitality company. We do not want to invest in a heavy capex on a city like Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Hyderabad or metro cities in India. So as to, that one room per cost is more than 1 crore to 2 crore rupees in a traditional hospitality models. While Praveg has a unique model in terms of capex investment per room, it's vary from 15 lakh rupees to 40-50 lakh rupees per room. Same way we want to, for this financial year ending March 24, we are planning to end our rooms around nearby 1,000 rooms. Same way in 2028, we have a plan to build 50 to 60 resorts across India. Having a room number of rooms may vary from 2,500 to 3,000 rooms is our plan for Praveg 28.
Can you also share the number of rooms which you are targeting? जो आपने number हमें बताया, उसमें आपके मार्जिन्स कैसे हैं? बिकॉज आपने बताया कि बहुत एसेट लाइट मॉडल है, तो आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि ऑपरेटिंग मार्जिन्स आप पे काफ़ी हाई होंगे, तो उस नंबर पे कितने मार्जिन्स आप कितना
Yes.
अर्न करेंगे?
We want to give some historical data of the Pravegs. We have initially we get around 30% occupancy in the resorts like Kutch. Same way, 25% occupancy in resorts like Kevadia. Slowly, it's built up to 40% above. Same way in Kutch, it's reached to 60% above. So gradually, we get a EBITDA margin of starting from 40% to 55% EBITDA margin. You know, the operating margin is very high due to lower capex and lower operational cost in terms of repair and maintenance also and operation also. So this vary from 30 to 40% EBITDA margin to 60% depending upon occupancy ratio we get across the year.
So if I assume broadly blended operating margins are say 45-50%, what kind of revenues are you aiming at with that number of rooms जो आपने हमें बताया है 3 से 5 साल में कितने revenues हम aim कर रहे हैं?
We are assuming next March 25, we may reach nearby 300 crore revenue top line. Same way in 2028, we may reach 3,000 room that time. तो उस वक्त हमारा जो टॉप लाइन है वो हम बिटवीन 500 टू 700 करोड़ के आसपास हम प्रेज्यूम कर रहे हैं, और उसके ऊपर हमारी टीम पूरी डेडिकेटेड वर्क कर रही है। मैं एक और चीज बताना चाहूंगा, प्रवेग की जो इन हाउस जो टीम है वो हम फ्रॉम डिजाइन टू कॉन्सेप्चुलाइजेशन टू डेवलपमेंट टू कॉल सेंटर टू सोशल मीडिया टीम्स, मार्केटिंग टीम्स, पूरा सेटअप इंडिया हमारा प्रवेग का इन हाउस है. वी नॉट रिलाई अपॉन आउटसोर्स काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. वी ऑल्सो मार्केटिंग सेटअप बाय वे ऑफ Google AdWords and direct marketings from our existing gates. So we have our guest and our ecotourism system. We are developing Praveg develop करने जा रही है. तो हमारा जो गेस्ट है वो एग्जिस्टिंग गेस्ट से भी हमारा काफी बिजनेस अभी आ रहा है.
रैप अप सर, एक बार समरी ले लूं मैं. FY25 में आप 300 करोड़ रेवेन्यू देख रहे हैं, अप्रोक्सीमेट एबिटा मार्जिन ऑफ 45-50%, बट 28 तक जब आप 3000 रूम्स ऑपरेट करेंगे तो ये नंबर आप ले जाएंगे 700 करोड़ तक. और अगर मैं
700 में वेरी इट डिपेंड अपॉन हाउ ARR we get, what is the economical scenario of the country, how we capture the business in terms of occupancy ratio. All these blending are important to carry out this top line goal of the company.
समझ गया मैं. सो रफली अगर इन्वायरमेंट ठीक रहता है, बिजनेस मोमेंटम बना हुआ है इंडस्ट्री में, तो आप 28 में 250 करोड़ का ऑपरेटिंग मार्जिन ऑन अ कंजर्वेटिव बेसिस और 500-600 करोड़ का टॉप लाइन एम कर सकते हैं जिस हिसाब से हम देख रहे हैं. वेल, बट आई मस्ट से दैट इंडस्ट्री इज विटनेसिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टेलविंड्स. लॉट ऑफ अदर कंपनीज व्हिच वी स्पीक टू इन योर लाइन ऑफ वर्क व्हिच इज हॉस्पिटैलिटी आर सेइंग दैट डिमांड इज गुड and occupancies are very high. But it's a very interesting concept, Vishnu ji. Thank you very much for your time. We would love to, not only interact with you how you scale up this, but we would like to experience it ourselves. We are travel buffs ourselves, but this is very unique, and we will be talking from time to time. I must tell our viewers that recently Sage One and few other marquee PMS guys have checked into the counter in Praveg of experiential this hospitality company, and that's how it came on our radar as well. Thank you very much, Vishnu ji, talking to us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.